Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable reels from Instagram. So there is no any method to disable reels from Instagram except the one method in which you have to just download the older version of Instagram. So if you download the older version of Instagram where reels are not introduced, so in this way you guys can bypass, or you guys can ignore, or you guys can remove the reels from your Instagram. So let's get started. You guys have to simply open up any of your browser, and after opening up any of your browser, here you guys have to simply search for download Instagram older version 2019, because in 2019 there is no any option like reels. So I'm searching for download GB, yeah, download Instagram 2019 APK. So after searching for download Instagram 2019 APK, you guys have to simply open up any of the website which is providing you the older version of Instagram, and you guys have to simply download it. So I'm selecting the first one, and in the first one you guys have to simply select the variant. Here you guys can see all of the previous variant in 2019. You guys have to simply click any one of them and then simply install it, and click on download APK and click on download anyway. And here you guys can see our older one of Instagram has been downloading. After completely downloading this application, you guys have to simply open it and simply install it. So after installing this, you guys can easily use the older version of Instagram, and you guys can disable reels from Instagram. So in this way you guys will remain protected from Instagram, and you guys can also bypass reels on Instagram. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.